Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you.
Okay, now we'll think how I am putting blindly hourly. What is the meaning of it? So actually, I'm not putting hourly. It is a cron tab. Okay, so if you click on the schedule here, question mark. See, if you don't understand any fields, there's a question mark available, and you see that nice tutorial is there for the cron tab, and some hard coded values are there. So I'm using one of this. Okay, so nothing great about it. So this is done, and build environment. We'll select, let's say, this one, build delete workspace before build start, and then build steps. Here, that's a builder you have to use. Here, this one, build steps. So my project is in Maven. I know that. So here I'll select the Maven and script, shell script, Windows script, any builders, Gradle script, Maven. The moment you select the Maven, they'll ask you goal. So we decided we'll pass the goal, compile. Okay, in the post build action, what you want? So you want to send an email to whom? This guy, and email notifications, done, and save it. Finish. Did you understand, all of you? All of you? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so now I'll build it. Look at this, build now left side, and the build failed. Build number one failed. Look at the build number one failed, and started by Rajesh. And here you see console output. Click on it. It's a log, and I will read the log very carefully. And when I see that log, it says Maven compile failed. Why? So Maven compile, see, goal is compile, command line is Maven builder, but command execution failed. Why? Because Maven is not installed in this machine. See, it's not installed. So how do you install? So I don't want to install it through the APT. The reason is, let's say we have a 10 team, 10 projects. Everyone is demanding 10 different version of Maven. So if I install it, it will be hard coded to on Maven. What to do in this case? So I'll not use this one. I will use the Jenkins. Go to the Jenkins. Look at this very carefully. Go to the Jenkins, manage Jenkins, and here you have lots of options. Lots of options. I would suggest you read it at once. If you're not understanding, no problem. But here there's one option which is called configure tools, their locations, and automatic installers. Click on it. And here, with a peace of mind, I'll go for look for the Maven. Here it is. So here, multiple installation, you can configure it. How? Add Maven. This is my Maven, so I'm naming Rajesh, and this is the version you selected, and then install automatically. You can add a more Maven also, but mine is okay, and save it. Done. After that, dashboard, go to the job, compile job, go to the configuration job and select the build steps. And here there's an option enabled, which Mavan, Rajesh Mavan. Save it, build now. Build number 2 is in progress. Console output, see, is building now. So Maven is building all this stuff. I know that you don't understand Maven. So hard code you yourself for time being with these goals. So in case of Maven here, it can be Ant also. It can be this one, Gradle also, MS Build also. So one of the builder tool you need to know about this. Okay. Any questions so far, guys? All of you? And you see the build successful. Okay, now here where the build happened, so workspace, this is the place build has happened, web things, and here it is. Some delete projects and all, you understand. That's I don't think so you need explanation. What do you think, all of you? All of you?
Just got it.
Hello.
Just got it.
Yeah, so now let's do the remaining jobs also. So here you have a test and package. Okay, so test and package. So what to do? Come here, new item, new item, test. Now I'm not going to create a from scratch freestyle project. I will go for copy from compile. Everything will be same. Only the this one will be changed. Steps. This one. So compile to test, right? This is test run. Test. So goal name will become a test. Everything will be same. There's a second job I got it here. Done. Build. Okay, so test also last one more job package. This will create a packaging. Again, I'll copy from this compile. Click OK. Only the goal name I'll change, which will do package, which is here. Simple. Copying entire job is just a fun. So I created third job also. Let me build this one also. Build now.
So
That's
basically, we
all.
are creating Maven.
Yeah, Maven. We are using builder Maven. So many of you are not understanding of Maven build tool, or I don't know how which any build tool if you have worked. But right now, because of that, I am asking goal name hardcore. This one it will work. So this goal name will compile your source code. This goal name will test your source code. This goal name will package your source
Okay.
code. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now you will say, Rajesh, you have lots of steps followed. Do we have any places? So yeah, I have Jenkins first steps or something like that. Let me check. Here. Configure Jenkins first job of Java code base with Maven tool. So here, step by step screenshot I have shared with everyone. So this is the one which you can try. Okay. This is just for the reference. Okay. So now what I want from all of you. Okay. Here is the Jenkins one, and here is some screenshot which I did it. I want all of you to set up your own folder and your own job, okay, and keep it ready for the review. I can review online also, so I want you to do that. So here this notes for me. This is the source code, and this is the builder. Java is installed. Maven also I configure, but you can configure your own Maven and stuff like that. So read more about it, all this stuff option, you'll get comfortable. Any questions, any doubts?
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.